Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best Tesla Model 3 floor mats on Amazon. Today, the best floor mats offer excellent edge-to-edge protection without deviating too much from the cabin's feel. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. 3D MaxSpider Floor Mats. The 3D MaxSpider floor mats are designed to offer an excellent blend of all-weather protection and style, and starts with a multi-layer construction, led by a top waterproof thermoplastic rubber layer, followed by middle lightweight XPE foam, and an anti-slip bottom to prevent shifting. Deep grooves help channel liquids and trap dirt, and its middle XPE layer is especially useful for absorbing shock and preventing moisture from seeping underneath to your carpet floor. What we like about it: middle lightweight XPE foam layer for shock and moisture absorption. Raised lips help contain spills. Heel pad on driver's mat to limit wear and tear. Textured rubber top layer good for all weather protection. What we don't like about it: below average warranty length, 3-year limited. Easy for rear floor mats to develop permanent crease with heavy wear. Number 2. TAPS Model 3 Floor Mats. The TAPS Model 3 floor mats are designed to offer excellent protection against dirt, mud, snow, and other debris, and come in a 3-piece set, 2 front mats and 1 rear mat. This floor mat's surface thermoplastic rubber layer has a carbon fiber-like texture that resembles slightly raised nibs, offering a sleek yet minimalist appearance that will not look out of place in the Model 3's cabin. An XPE inner layer provides cushioning and support, and its bottom layer offers a soft yet grainy, firm texture to keep it firmly in place, although keeping it easy to remove. 3D raised edges also work to contain smaller spills from hitting your factory carpet. What we like about it: carbon fiber design. XPE inner layer for cushioning and support. Sleek, minimalist design. 3D raised edges help contain small spills. What we don't like about it: higher than average price. May see shedding with heavy wear and tear. Front passenger mat is not the most snug of fits. Number 3. HE Floor Mats. HE Floor Mats offers one of the more intriguing designs we've seen with the Tesla Model 3 floor mat, as these 3D liners are constructed using thermoplastic elastomer, a cross-linked polyethylene center for strength, and a second middle foam center for noise reduction. These mats are more noticeably flat than others, with no real channels, grooves, or reservoirs to contain debris and spills. It is not hard to imagine dirt piling up on these without regular cleaning, though the raised edges should contain whatever mess you track back in. Hopefully, its lifetime warranty is more than enough to compensate though, arguably. What we like about it: sleek, carbon fiber inspired design. No distinguishable markings such as logos. Raised heel pad on driver mat for comfort. What we don't like about it: lacks grooves and channels to trap debris. May appear too minimalist for some drivers. Number 4. Topro Floor Mats. Topro Floor Mats is a solid value option as it's 3D scanned and cut to produce a very serviceable set of rubber blend front driver, passenger, and rear floor mats. Arguably, the biggest differentiator versus our other picks is its hexagon soccer cell pattern, which appears to do an okay but not great job at trapping spills and debris. Rounding out its specs are edge-to-edge coverage and OEM retention hooks to keep them firmly in place. As mentioned, the Topro floor mats doesn't offer much in the way of raised edges, deep grooves, and reservoirs. Drivers in dry climates will likely benefit more from these mats than those in wetter climates. What we like about it: no discernible odor or off-gassing upon unboxing. 3D precision cutting for an exact fit. Very easy to clean with a quick spray down and rinse. What we don't like about it: lack of deep grooves and ridges. Not as thick as heavier duty options. Not the most durable OEM floor clips. Number 5. TuxMat Custom Floor Mats. Although minimalist at a glance, the TuxMat Custom Floor Mats offer an excellent combination of value and functionality, resisting both moisture and debris. All mats lead with a 3-layer vinyl construction, with the top layer made of waterproof PVC and the middle layer made of PVA. Unlike other picks, the TuxMat custom floor mat surface seems to pay more attention to comfort. Large, thick, and padded PVC ribs offer a nice textured feel, and extra wide heel pads are designed to offer stability. What we like about it: 100% waterproof PVC. Thick and padded PVC ribs for comfort. OEM retention hooks and slip-resistant bottom layer keeps mats firmly in place. What we don't like about it: not compatible with the Model Y. Shorter raised lips along edges could allow some water off. Velcro and clamps for support can be a bit messy. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.